Certainly one of the oddest birds you're ever going to come across, which is a big part of why it's become one of the real favorite birds to own as a pet. The great Potoo bird has a distinct appearance that you're going to find impossible not to notice. While the Potoo bird is considered to be a relatively common bird in Central and South America, the truth of the matter is it is currently experiencing a rapid decline in population due to habit loss, which is exactly why so many are encouraging exotic pet owners and bird lovers in particular to begin raising these birds in other locales, if only in an effort to keep them from being threatened by extinction. Growing to up to 24 inches in length. As we mentioned above, this bird looks as though it isn't covered in feathers, but instead covered in fur, and has an oversized beak, an oversized mouth, and very large and sometimes unsettling eyeballs that are stuck almost directly on the side of its head. While this nocturnal bird really prefers to keep itself hidden throughout the day, when they have been raised in captivity and trained to be pets, they have a much more mischievous, playful, and agreeable personality. Daytime or not, they aren't as weak or as fragile as some of the other kinds of birds that are popular as pets. Though they aren't the hardiest of the avian family either. These birds will do everything they can to protect themselves and any other birds in their flock. They are very trainable if you're willing to put in the time, and if you raise Potoo birds that have come from breeders that have spent time training these kinds of birds, you'll find the entire process to be easy.